The 5 kilogram budget CO2 extinguisher is exactly the same as our firepower one, but different factory, and the body is made of lightweight steel, whereas the firepower range is made of aluminium. Now that increased the cost slightly. Also, this budget range, by the way, also known as the PowerX and rebadged by many as various other things. This is made on behalf of Thomas Glover and Company, which is the sister company of Chubfire, but made in China and then imported. Now it's made under exactly the same standards, so you'll see the same quality, British Standard Kite Mark, the CE mark around the other side. Now this, unlike if you're in shipping, this doesn't have the ship's wheel mark, but that's only for marine equipment directive. But it still has the black labelling for CO2, the instructions, everything as normal, just as you'd expect from a quality company. Now, CO2, or carbon dioxide, obviously, is best for electrical fires, or fires involving electrical equipment, because it will not conduct, and it doesn't make a mess, and it doesn't do any harm. It's also going to work on flammable liquid fires, and the 5 kilogram size is more appropriate for that than the 2 kilogram one that you normally have around the office. This is quite a hefty beast. So compared to the aluminium one, the firepower version weighs about 11.8, 11.9 kilograms. This one weighs a few more, about 14, 15. So it makes it a bit heavier, like so. Yeah, heavy. Now the way it works, same with anything else. Just by the way, it's up here so I can show you easy. I'd much prefer it to be on the floor. If you were using it, you'd use it on the floor. Pull the pin out, holding the lever. This little anti-tamper seal will break, which shows you that someone has messed about with it or it has been used. Then take the horn, the hose, hold it by the handle, point it at the fire, squeeze the levers, this will start and stop, and sweep towards the fire, moving in. Always be safe. Don't be a hero. So that is the way it works. But now, let me show you what you get in a box with a brand new one. This is going to be difficult because this is heavy. But hey, I'm going to make do. In fact, I'm going to put it on the floor and pull it out like this. Right, taking the plastic bag off. The plastic bag is to protect the paint, which will just gradually scuff off in the box in transport. I'm putting that on the floor. You will have got, as with any quality company, it's just a sign of quality, is the extra information that you get when you buy your fire extinguisher. Certificate of conformity, with a lot of information about how to fix it to the wall, where to fix it to the wall, the fire ratings. I mean, if you are interested, the 5 kilogram size has a 70B rating. There is no fire rating for fires involving electrical fires. A 2 kilogram generally has 34, possibly 50, generally 34B rating. But one hose and horn. Now this is the same one that they use on the UK model. At the top you'll find again a washer tied on with a little elastic band so you don't lose it. Just simply insert that washer in the top like so. Then, as you can see, by hand, nothing more technical, years of training taught me to do this. Screw it up, simple as that. Adjustable spanner, just nip it tight. And then, this is where the magic comes in. See, it's got a hook there to go over the hose. Now, you want this to be nice and neat and tidy, so it needs a twist. Oops. One twist, and what that does is it puts a kink in it, and it enables it to stand upright like that. Sometimes service technicians, service engineers quite often don't know that little trick and will end up having it sticking out like that. And you can't see me. Not very neat and tidy, okay? So, job done. not fallen off, not broken my neck. Clever, eh? If you want to know more about these, you want to know the price, compare them to the Firepower range or even the polished range, just follow the links at the end of the page.